What up, though, world? This your boy 313 Mag Dumper, and today I'm gonna show you how to break down my Glock 26. You know what I'm talking about? Chambered in 9mm. If you don't know, first I'm gonna take the magazine out, and it's still one in the head, so you gotta get that out of there. Once you do that, you know, you lock that back like that. See that? It's empty. You feel me? It's empty. Yeah. So I like to let mines go when I do it. I push mines back, and I lock mines when I do, and I pull these back. They say just put it back a little bit, but I like to do mines like that. You know what I'm talking about? Take that thing off like that. Ain't in your way. You can't see nothing. Then you got that. Yeah. Take that out. Take your barrel out. And it's all broken down. You feel me? You can't see it now because it's on my table, but I'm going to show y'all. That's the barrel. I mean, the slide. Put the barrel back in. You're just going in reverse. You know what I'm talking about? In there. Make sure you line those up on there. You know what I'm talking about? It's good to go. Put that down. 313 Mag Dumper. We out. See y'all later.